Hello folks, this is Chris here, aka the voice in text-to-speech as a new friend to Vasu, who is the creator of his second channel. And today I'm here to explain about Power BI orally, without taking so much time for the practice. And I know practice takes a lot of time. So why not recap everything that he had learned for you all? This might be a good idea. I know it was a long road. But I'm about to let you understand how I try to speak accordingly as told by Microsoft, who are the makers of the dashboard or report creating software. And besides, it might be difficult to remember everything as learned from the video lessons. So this time, how about an oral recap of all the lessons we have learned in over a year? Hope you get it clear and confident. Without further ado, let's begin our recap session of Power BI in an official way. By the way, I'm using ChatGPT as my ally to learn more about it, as I heard that some people use AI technology for good use, until others are using it to lure or deceive others, which is making me afraid, just like Vasu mentioned it as he did the security training videos recently. So this time I'll look for different kinds of sources to make it correctly and appealing to others for their better performance. Alright, let's start with the first one. History of Power BI. Power BI was introduced by Microsoft in 2014 as part of its business intelligence evolution. It originated from Excel-based tools like Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. Earlier, these tools were add-ins in Microsoft Excel for data analysis. Microsoft combined them into a single platform to create Power BI. Since then, it has evolved into a cloud-based analytics service with continuous updates. As I heard from Vasu about the recent researches about its history, actually, it began as an add-on for Office 365 in 2013. Then it made as a standalone product in 2015, after it was rebranded in 2016. Until 2020, it received the modern logo, which is still used today. Sorry about that, but I'll show you the picture of the timeline for the logos of Power BI soon. For now, please listen to the very end. Okay, let's continue. The second one is the meaning and definition. Power BI is a business intelligence and data visualization tool by Microsoft. It helps transform raw data into meaningful insights through interactive dashboards and reports. It connects to multiple data sources like databases, Excel, cloud services, etc. Power BI enables users to analyze and visualize data easily without deep technical skills. It is designed to support data-driven decision-making in organizations. Next, features of Power BI are as follows. Power BI supports data connectivity from multiple sources such as Excel, SQL, cloud platforms. It provides interactive dashboards and real-time data visualization capabilities. It includes Power Query for data transformation and cleaning. DAX or data analysis expressions is used for advanced calculations and measures. It offers cloud sharing via Power BI service and mobile access through apps. Next, here are the merits and limitations of Power BI. Let's begin with the merits. Power BI is user-friendly and easy to learn compared to traditional BI tools. It integrates well with other Microsoft tools like Excel and Azure. It provides real-time insights and interactive visualizations. It is cost-effective, with a free version available for basic use. It supports collaboration by sharing dashboards and reports online. Then the limitations. Power BI has data size limitations in the free version. Complex data models may require knowledge of DAX and data modeling. Performance may slow down with very large datasets. Customization is limited compared to some advanced BI tools. Requires internet connectivity for full cloud-based features. Then for the last part, here are the important or significant points. Power BI is widely used in business analytics and reporting across industries. It supports roles like data analysts, business analysts, and decision makers. It integrates with modern technologies like AI and cloud computing. Demand for Power BI skills is increasing in the job market. It plays a key role in data-driven organizations and digital transformation. That's it for the first chapter. I'll be back for the second chapter next time. Thanks for listening to our first session, as I know that Vasu had really a very difficult time to do all the tasks more and more. But trust me at once, as there are many sources to look for real information, without any error and duplicated parts. Everything were made real from Microsoft officials, especially it needs a lot of pressure to look for more of these topics. I'm still hoping that he can survive against all odds without any painful borders. But he can still conquer everything until he make his real dream come true. Thanks for listening with us together. and hope that there will be a new place of hope and peace in the present and future. He has been working for almost 30 years of his life, and almost 8 years on his YouTube channel, and there might be new segments coming to you all. Don't worry, he'll be back for sure. At least, for these people to be protected by him who is striving for the rest of the lives of the earth. Take care and good night. Adios.